Nandito tayo sa Hampton Park area. Maglalaba tayo at maggrocery at bumili ng essentials from chemist and Aldi. Okay? Hi guys. Maglo-laundry tayo ngayon. Change tayo ng pera. Tapos na. Na-load na natin. Balikan na lang natin to guys. Habang waiting for the laundry, punta tayo ng chemist. Sobrang lapit lang to guys. Mga around 3 minutes walk. So, itong area na to, may laundry na, may chemist, and may Aldi. In just one go, you can do whatever you want. You can do your shopping, your laundry. So, ito na, malapit na tayo sa chemist. Not even 3 minutes, nandito na tayo. Let's buy something here from the chemist warehouse. Kita nyo? That's the chemist warehouse. Let's go. Nandito na tayo sa loob ng chemist guys. Hanap tayo ng pwedeng bilhin dito. Pagka ganito naka-yellow tag is on sale. So, I'm going to buy this one. Magwi-winter na dito, so kailangan natin ng lip balm. Ano ginagamit nyo? Ito lang, Vaseline. It's only $4 pang winter. Kompleto din ang chemist dito guys. Let's look for the vitamins. Fish oil. And all the perfumes. Ito Revlon. Ayan. For household cleaner. Ayan, mga dishwashing liquid. For toilet. And I'm getting this one. Sometimes they are cheaper than Woolies and Kohl's. So let's buy this. So ayan guys, nabili na natin yung kailangan natin. So let's go back to the laundry area. So ito na yung napamili natin guys. So, finish shopping, let's go back to the laundry area. Biglang uminit. Kanina super lamig and umuulan. Now it's sunny. But it's still cold guys. It's 18 degrees. Mag-dryer naman tayo guys. So guys, nag-dryer na tayo ng ating laundry. Punta naman tayo ngayon sa Aldi while waiting for the laundry natin. So let's go some shopping in Aldi. It's just 1-minute walk from that laundry area going to Aldi. Yung chemist guys, nandun lang kanina. So malapit lang din. So this is Aldi. Vegetables nila dito. All the fruits here. All the meat. Favorite. Ito yung mga special buys in Aldi guys. Ganda na siya oh. Only $39 or $40. Itong Aldi guys, meron silang mga special sale like every Wednesday. They have also special sale on Saturday, Wednesday and Saturday actually. Ito mga sale na to, mga special sale. This is cute. Maraming magandang deal dito sa Aldi. Mas cheaper sila ng Kohl's or Woolies. Oh, may Bundaberg din pala dito. Tropical Mango Bundaberg. It's only $5.95. Try natin. Let's try this. So I'm shopping here in Aldi, guys. So let's go back to the laundry area. So in just one go, I'm finished my task for the day. Tapos na yung aking mga dapat gawin for today. So nagawa na natin lahat ang kailangan natin gawin. Let's go back. Dito naman sa Australia, guys, every suburb naman merong ganito, all in one. May laundry na, may shopping area, it's either may Coles or Woolies. Nandyan lang, or chemist sa isang area. We're back here now. Check natin kung tuyo na yung ating, tapos na yung ating pagdadry. Wala pa. Still going. Ayan, hindi pa siya tapos. 2 minutes to go. Hi guys, tapos na yung paglaban natin. Pag-grocery, pagbili ng mga essentials for today. So, thank you for watching. And see you in my next one. Bye!